Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert lines on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert lines on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer, I'm just going to show. And this is so useful for an example. I'm just going to add a text box here, right? Okay. And also I just going to add another text box on the bottom section. For an example here, I'm just going to add another text box. So I just want to link this two text box. Now the lines plays an important role. So you just click on the insert option on the top and just click on the shape option, click on this drop pane. We can find the lines here. Click on the line first before link the line, just click here and you can just move wherever you just need it like this. And also you can just change the line shape like gradient or dotted or whatever. And also the theme colors also might be changed. For an example, you can just use this type of lines or you can just change this. And also you can just have an option to edit the shapes, and you can just also have a different type of lines. For an example, here this is another type of line. You can have some of the arrows here. So you can just choose the line first and you can just change the color here like this. And also we have a different like this also. You can just click this and you can just move and you can just place just like this, and you can just change this by using this yellow line to change the direction of this. So this is how we just create this lines, and you can just use this. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super viral content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.